either of you give any kind of insight into like the cultural elements and where things can be a bit tricky, especially when you're working across different types, different countries, different languages, that type of thing?
I guess one thing that I notice very strongly in this space, and it's a really kind of simple challenge, is just time zones, for example. So it's really actually, when you're running events online, it's great because in theory anybody, globally can join and get involved. But the reality is you actually have to choose, when you're going to run something, and that's going to impact who actually has access to that event. And of course, you can record things and you can make them available afterwards, whatever. But that's not quite the same often as being able to actively engage with something that's live. And if you decide to kind of cycle times and do things at different times, you're always going to be excluding some group of people for whom it's really unsociable time to be joining. And so I think that's something which I see as, that it's always going to be a problem, but it's something which I do notice, and there's no easy solution to that.
Yeah, so I had two things there. So one thing is also that sometimes it's not clear, and that's maybe not a cultural thing also, but sometimes really the time commitment isn't clear from the onset. So there might be diverging expectations of how much each person has to commit, and at what frequency or how timely this commitment has to happen. So that can lead to frustrations on both sides if there's a mismatch of expectations. But then the other thing, and that's not only across countries, but also within one country, is that each institution is operating differently.